Using a card for this.
Yo, we got the goof off right here.
All on the phone. Oh my god. What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do my first modification on the 350Z. It's a ducktail or duckbill, whatever you want to call it. This is supposed to go on top of the trunk. Got the clear coat, 3M sanding, the color code, like spray paint. Yeah, we're just gonna get to work. We're gonna go over to my friend's house and he's gonna help me out with it. In theory, it's supposed to look something like this. Of course it's not, because we have the badges on right now and there's the OEM spoiler under this, but it's supposed to sit flush, kind of like this. Let's start her up. We just sanded it down and cleaned it, and now we're gonna paint it. There you go. Just like that. You don't want to do that. Looking good so far. Using a card for this. We used 2 flatheads and a credit card, and it worked.
Shout out to the hotel card, bro.
Yeah. Everything's pretty much off. We're just gonna try to figure out how to get all this glue off, and we gotta get the badge, and this sadly has to go too. I like this, but it's gotta go. What are we using right now?
Yo, we got the goof off right here. You know,
If you guys ever need to get glue off, just use the goof off, you know?
yeah, you just gotta goof off a little bit.
Don't goof too hard though.
I'm goofing off this material right now.
I think that's good. Alright, so we just lined it up. We're getting the tape all on, this double-sided tape, and apparently it's really strong. Definitely know what you're doing, because I'm not gonna say I don't know what I'm doing, but we're definitely winging this.
Up on this side?
Yeah, up on that side. How's it look?
Yo, it's perfect.
It's perfect. Press it down.
Yeah. It's good, right?
Yeah.
You like it? Happy with it? It's fun.
But let's just see like about
Something.
the trunk situation.
It's fun.
My bad. Bro, and it f***ing matches. Like, that's what I'm stoked about.
Hell yeah, bro.
Nah, that low-key looks so good. And we didn't even have to drill any holes.
Yeah, there was still dirt on this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bryce.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Got you.
We just left Bryce's house. The ducktail's all done. We got the OEM spoiler right there. But let me tell you, it looks amazing. We got the ducktail on. We used 3M tape. Didn't even use the screws. So we'll see how that goes. I'm actually super stoked that my first mod went well. Looks beautiful. Shout out to my friend Bryce for helping me paint it, help me mount it, and overall appreciate it. Then we took off the wiper. I need to get a little thing for this so it doesn't leak. But that's the OEM. I cannot get over the sunset. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. We're head over to a car meet. It's kind of on an island, so that's cool. And we're gonna see a bunch of sick cars. We have made it to the car meet. What's up, Bryce?
Yes, sir.
What's good, DP?
What's up?
It's your car, bro. Looks so good.
I know, right? Because it's
Focus
the
RS.
Alcantara bucket seats, so just like...
I got buckets? Oh, damn. This thing crazy fit me. fuck with the car, bro. It's sick. I love the fitment on this. Got another Z at the meet. The Holy Grail.
My whole car got fired.
The Lost MC showed up once again to the car meet. All on the phone. Oh my god. That's tough as fuck. So tough. That's so sick. Yo! Yo, what's up, bro? We were mobbing, bro.
Oh yeah!
I fuck with the Camaro, bro.
Hey,
So,
it's my girl.
it's your girl?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. She got a clean bill.
Right?
Yeah. Later, man. That's his girl's whip. Oh my god, bro. That's his girl's whip. Bro, I fuck with your car, bro. It's sick.
Thank you.
I want a ticket, bro.
Their front plates up.
I want a ticket.
Plates are for pussies.
Plates are for bitches.
Bro, not again. I want a ticket, bro.
Put their front plates up.
I want a ticket.
She said it's fucking mid. I saw you come in.
Alright guys, we're just leaving the meet. That was a sick meet. My boy's up there in the Focus. And we're just gonna mob. We're just gonna get some eats. Then we're going to some runs. Let the cars out at Wendy's. What we getting, DP?
Some good shit.
Some good Wendy's. With that 4 for 4. Yes, sir. Alright guys, we're about to be at the runs. We got like 2 minutes until we're there. Pro dive, but we're at the runs. There's everyone. We're lining up back there. We got Camaro versus Supra.
Is that fucking... Give me a ticket?
No.
No, I think
No.
that is. I saw a guy with long ass hair.
Put their front plates up.
I want a ticket.
There's literally no traction. Some New York car scene right here. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, bro. You gotta race the RAV4. He's racing, bro. Give me a ticket. It's doing the countdown.
Put their front plates up.
I want a ticket.
You got the 300 CX. DP just left to go home, but we're still here.
Baby, you got something in your nose.
Right there, bro.
I have to go home.
There's cops. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Cops, shut this shit down. Yeah. Damn, I got a cramp from running. That's my beautiful car though. We had to leave from the runs because it got shut down from the cops. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and peace out.